I'm very pleased to be here with you. And thank you very much, DIS, for inviting me to speak to you, to be able to share with you our state of art at Informatica. Through all those years, Informatica was assisting you in data management, starting with the mainframes and programs, then going through the period where IT developed the automation applications, and then finally when the cloud started, to the point now where we are in the cloud world. We've assisted you, and we've been with you, and we've been innovating to make you always be on top of the situation. Now, everything is digital, but it's not about digital modernization. It is now about digital transformation. What is this digital transformation? Digital transformation is a change that covers business, it covers technology and people. On the business side, you'll see new products and services and the new customer experiences and consequently new operating models. The technology side is first cloud driven. Then the data is located in different places. Of course, it is in the cloud or it is on premises. That is becoming huge, enormous. And this data distributed between different locations and on the enormous volumes needs to be processed with artificial intelligence. And then there are people that acquire new skills, like data stewards, like data scientists, and then a totally new culture of working in the digital world. And consequently, the processes have to change. Speaking, it looks nice. There are different lines of business sitting on different forms of processes and working. But practically, the things are far more complex. In fact, there is a big fragmentation of data. There are different applications and different databases storing that data. That data that is fragmented, that is processed in different ways, and it's very difficult in access and in getting the value out of it. How do you optimize your resources allocation, innovation projects versus spending time finding relevant data to run your business? Or how do you democratize data while governing it? I mean, all of those questions and many others, now they are in front of the CIOs and CDOs that have to get answers to them. How do we manage on those complex questions? Questions of fragmentation of data, where we have thousands of databases and thousands of business processes around it, and then data located on multiple clouds. How do we process different types of data and make some value out of it, structured, unstructured, streaming, semi-structured? And then how we may collaborate different users. Those are the of the intelligent data enterprise that has to provide answers. And the answer is in managing your data. Our Informatica platform provides you with the ability to catalog your data, integrate your data, use the APIs and integrate applications, clean the data and profile it, provides the common platform for 360 view of customers, products, suppliers, name it, and governance and privacy with business glossaries, and finally data marketplace that is a key factor for data democratizations. So those are different components all sitting in one platform with a large connectivity with the management powered by artificial intelligence to get value to the business and to the users out of different forms and different approaches to the data that can be in multi-cloud or can be hybrid, that can be sitting on premise. 38 million of transactions. That's what our cloud solutions are doing now. And this amount is growing constantly. And there is no other option just to grow. But to do that, we need artificial intelligence that helps us to get the value, that is capable of detecting and learning from the previous experiences and help the different professionals that need the information to extract that information from the growing volumes of data. Artificial intelligence that is based on the metadata and drives the intelligence from analyzing and understanding metadata. Informatica has always been working with Gartner. At this point, we participate in 4 Gartner Magic Quadrants. As you can see here, Gartner recognizes us as a top leader in all the Magic Quadrants. We participate with them. But what is important for us also is the recognition of our innovation. And those recognitions are largely awarded to Informatica by the peers, by the professionals of the IT, or by the business users. All in all, we have like more than 5,000 happy customers. 9 of Fortune 10 customers use Informatica. We're present, as you can see on the slide, at any industry and all around the world. Let's see some of the customers that you probably be knowing, like Unilever, that the products are available in any supermarket worldwide. They had a problem with the onboarding of new products and new suppliers, and doing it in different countries. They solved the problem with the help of Cognizant, putting a solution based on Informatica Products 360 and building product information management for across the whole company. Volvo is a very well-known brand, a very old Informatica customer. They used to have 30 different data marts, and the management was very complicated. They decided to move it to the cloud and have one single agile platform to manage all of those environments. They did it. It took them 3 years, and they migrated 15,000 of mappings. And Saint-Gobain, leading producer of for the construction, they have like 1,500 150,000 of products with 2,000 different suppliers. And the onboarding of a new product was very complicated because all those suppliers were sending the information in different formats. Now, deploying Informatica Product 6, they managed to reduce the time for onboarding of a new product from 1 week to 1 day. Sanofi is one of the world leaders for medicine, health lives, as we call it. These people depend on research. The ability to unify the results and to analyze the results from different researchers is critical for their go-to-market. They use Informatica Cloud for putting data, research data from 11 different discrete platforms, and they reduced considerably their time to market. Those are the real cases. We assist our customers from the very day they join our community buying Informatica solutions to the last moments of implementation and getting into production, and through the whole life cycle of their solutions based on Informatica products. What is significant here is the customer loyalty that we were awarded #1. We've been awarded for 12 years in a row. And then we cannot do business without our partners. Partners are critical, like DIS, our partner for the region, going through all the CIS countries. There are another category of partners which we rely on very much are the global advisors, the global SIs, what we call, like Accenture or KPMG or Deloitte, Infosys. All of these people help us to be successful. And definitely, with the present time of cloud importance, partners like Microsoft, AWS, Google, Oracle Cloud, and Snowflake become critical. Our platforms are installed there. And for our success, there is a backbone. That backbone, which can be abbreviated as an acronym DATA. Do good, act as one team, think customer first, and aspire and innovate. Once a year, Informatica has an Informatica World in May. After that, we've got running all over the world events we call Informatica World Tour. They are one-day events where customers, partners can learn about the newest elements in data management and Informatica Live. The next Informatica World Tour is happening in Dubai, October the 13th. So please attend. There is still enough time to register. And that's all from me this time. Thank you very much for your attention.